Hi, Adam here from AirTouch and Polyair. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your electric garage door smart with AirTouch's latest add-on, the Powermesh garage door controller. So, what are we waiting for? I'm going to install this on my own garage door to be able to control it over the smartphone app from anywhere in the world, by voice with Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa, and also on my AirTouch smart home console. The Powermesh garage door controller works with my existing garage door remote, but as a part of my wider home automation upgrade projects this year, it's going to let me have control of my garage door like never before. In the box, I have the Powermesh smart garage door controller, the sensor and battery, and the quick connector and power pack, which is already pre-wired to make things easy. The supplied installation instructions are easy to follow with a simple step-by-step guide to get you up and running in minutes. The only extra tool I'm going to need is a Phillips head to unscrew the back cover of the door sensor to install the supplied battery. Well, that was easy. So now I'm just going to head to the garage and get everything installed. Before mounting the sensor, make sure the garage door is open. Now, unplug the power for safety. The type of garage door you have will determine where to mount the sensor. First, remove the adhesive backing. If you've got a roller door like me, mount the sensor to one of the spokes, mounted on the opposite side to where the motor is. If you have a sectional door, stick the sensor to the supplied sectional door mounting adapter, and then attach this to the door shaft on either end. If you have a tilt door, stick it to the inside bottom of the door. Don't worry if you ever need to change the battery. You can pull the sensor off and reattach it with the Velcro mount. You'll need to connect the wiring to the motor. Locate the push button terminals using your motor's manual. If you have two doors, you will need another sensor, but you can wire the second door to the terminals M2 on the same controller. The controller is neatly mounted to your wall or ceiling with the adhesive backing. Let's connect it with the quick connector and plug it in along with the garage door motor. When the lights turn blue, it is ready to pair. Download the Zimmy app from your favorite app store. Create a home network and name it whatever you like. Search for a new device and Zimmy will look for your controller. Once it is found, press Continue. Follow the wizard to connect the sensor. Your garage door will open and close a few times to detect it. Zimmy will then train your door. And we're done. A great new feature now is that I can check on if my garage door is open or closed on my smartphone. But with the special flight path technology, I can open my garage door in just small increments. This is really useful for pets if you need to let a little bit of air in, or if I just want to open the door a little bit to accept a delivery. I've even got voice control of my garage. Hey Google, open the garage.
Okay.